don't know where to start my vow because I'm not good at this. And I like to express my love with action, so I'll just tell what's in my heart.
I always call you kind because para sa akin, yun yung mas nakakapogi sa isang tao. You fell first, but I fell harder. Sa mga bagay na wala akong sigurado, at least sa'yo lang ako talaga sigurado.
Sa isang libong duda, silong sa iyak at pagluluksa, kung puso ko ay mamapa, ikaw ang
Thank you for being the perfect girl for me. Thank you for your never-ending love and care for me. I promise to be there for you through the ups and downs. Life is unpredictable. Not everything is in our control, but as long as you're with the right people, you can handle everything. And you, Sophia, is the right person for me.